Are you ready for your daily sales tip? Hey, it's Tom Jackobs here, and I love dropping these 1-minute nuggets to help you improve your sales today. Today's tip is all about getting those testimonials. And I know I've said this before, but there is a science to creating testimonials because now you are getting your current clients to tell other potential clients how great you are. Now, there is a technique to get really great testimonials, and I always do 3 questions, and in this order. The first question is always, why did you choose to work with us? What was the problem leading up to you deciding that you needed some help? The second is, what was the process like? What did you have to do? And the last one was, what were the results that you got from working with us? So when you use those 3 questions in your testimonials, you're going to tell a great story to your potential clients on how and why you are a great choice. So that's your daily sales tip for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Make sure you follow.